My name is Alex. I'm with Grady County District 1 in Tuttle, Oklahoma. We have been road widener customers for about 5 years now. We do a lot of different projects with road wideners. We use them to lay asphalt, we use them to lay millings, crusher run type materials. We also use them to lay surge type materials and washout. They have a super high production machine for us. Our first machine right out of the gate, a small issue with the hydraulics locking up. I gave Road Widener a call. They were able to walk me through it step by step, how to get the machine working so we could get through the day. The response time was great. My reps number through my dealer and through Road Widener, they're always very responsive on the phone, a call or text away. That's been very, very helpful in troubleshooting and parts and stuff of that nature for these machines. We can cover roughly 6 to 8 lane miles a day, not pushing it super hard. The machine itself, we've never had any major problems with them. They've been super reliable. Maintainability on them is super great. We've pushed our road widener with everything from a small skid steer to a large skid steer to a small wheel loader to a large wheel loader. The skid steers and wheel loaders work great. The smaller machines work great on flatter ground. We seem to have the best luck with a mid-size loader here, like a 60G. They seem to have plenty of power, be able to push up and down the hills, be able to push through the brakes so you don't have spills. This machine compared to the old style machine, it's really great to have the vertical adjustment up and down for the shoe. That way, if you're coming into some high terrain or something, you can go positive or negative grade. That's really helpful getting around the obstacles and stuff on the edge of the road. The ability to lay the shoe back allows you to carry a lot more material. That was also a noticed benefit to me. The new hydraulic controls are really great. The speed control for the belt is significantly better. The response time from the buttons is a lot higher. You don't have the delay like you do on the old style remote. Yeah, it's a lot easier to modulate belt speed based on your material needs for your work zone.